very beautiful. I would say that very nice wordings which I also have. There's a lot of issues, but I only write out a few which I think I want to mention out to everybody. First of all, I like the words agent of perfection. This is a very nice word. And the blessing I have. Okay? For Zayed as a Muslim, this is more of a Christian than this is blessing of all this. This Zayed he used very nicely in his speech. And then he said, from the first words he said, beautiful afternoon. I know that this is a very beautiful afternoon. First of all, I will say that they do have like some of the things that you need to for this project. That's why I say that amongst all the projects, 10 projects, this is one of the first most tough project where you have to encounter at the beginner stage. Because of the language you need to use, the pronunciation and all this is different. This is the first step to be a competent commuter. You need to go through this. So things like similarly like spread like a wildfire. This is a very good way of description. And also what you said is dance of cash. It's a very good description also. There is a lot of money about this. In terms of field rate, we have goodness and kindness. The nurse is the same, which I think, at least most of the thing to our language director, he himself also a language director, so he will be an advantage of tell you all the good words he has. But the thing is, I will say that for that is that if things that you need to improve, I think you actually, because I did go through your video from topic 1, 2, and 3, I go through yesterday, I go through one more time again. You improve a lot of things. First of all, is that you don't move around that often. You need to be very aggressive. I think now this round, you did very well. You don't really move much. I think we give you a lot of thought. However, the thing is, maybe things we need to improve is, please, in topic 1, you say icebreaker. It seems that you keep on looking at this area. You need to be warm to this part also. If you realize that, because I know your body movement have always made a lot of difference amongst all the members. So this is an area that I know that's maybe your blind spot. So I think I need to maybe mention to you to remember so that in the next round when you go for your other place for your project 5, I think that's the time you can fully utilize the ability you have.